My name is Bigby Wolf. I'm the sheriff of sports called People Town. These peoples are like me. We all live in a fairy tale until one day we all live in the world. And now it's hard to be normal in these parts in this fantasy. I know everyone is afraid of me when I turn to the big bad wolf. But I can't. Not like before. I have to protect the people's Mondays and snow is helping the people's keep calm and relax. I had to find what happened to these people who died. I had to make sure it won't happen again. Or something else comes. I know this town is important, but I have to try my best to find the killer. Whoever killed these people knew about the glamour. I have to talk to Beast and see if he knows about something.